short of 42.
Oh, she's big. Oh, I got it. The answer is 37.
Everyone knows the real KP is best subject is dinosaur history. Big up!
Man, you look dumb right now. Why didn't I know? Huzzah!
ไม่รู้ใครอย่างนั้นนะ
Heroes Trials.
ออกได้บ่วะเนี่ย
Certificate of Work 2 to your father.
What is this? Word or two? It's not a word.
It's a certificate to show that passed the hero's trials.
Let me guess. This is about your sword.
And to prove my attitude, I had to decipher the bad guy in a Slack and Bear comic book series, because then I ate a whole bag of hottest snack in the world, and I was able to tell the difference between my best friend and his book, which was actually the Samir. You're not impressed?
Chelsea, you've missed the point. I trusted you to wield your sword responsibly, and you made a mess of Craig's house. A mess that I still have to fix because I didn't have the right paint. So now I have to go back to the hardware store after work because Mrs. Williams won't let me come back to her house in the morning for some irrational, inexplicable reason. If you're not up before the sun, you'll never get anything done. That's what I always say.
You I got a certificate.
But he said fortitude wasn't a word. But don't worry, I want to fix this. And that's what keeps you warm there. But Dad doesn't have the right paint he needs, so we're going to the hardware store to get some and fix it for him.
Hardware store. That means we're gonna have to take the bus. Well, gotta pay. Now how are we gonna pay for it?
I have an idea. Hopefully it works. Excuse me? Armor merchant? My sword, as well as my father's trust, is on the line. I'm quality paint, and I am willing to reward you with the finest snacks one can offer in exchange.
Quarter-inch construction grade PVC pipe with the smooth finish. Sword girl,